Unchecked tears in your pool liner dampen summer fun, but they can also waste water, overwork pool equipment, and even cause damage over time to your yard or your home's foundation. That's why if your above ground or in-ground pool's vinyl liner has a hole or tear, you'll want to mend it. And if the damage isn't too severe, you can do that yourself with the RH Adhesives Vinyl Pool Liner Repair Kit. Here's how to patch a pool liner underwater. HH-66 vinyl cement is the industry's leading PVC vinyl adhesive. It's not for polyethylene or nylon fabrics, and it's not intended for use on fiberglass or concrete pools. But if your pool liner is made of vinyl, there's no better way to get the job done, even underwater. The technique for patching vinyl below the waterline using HH-66 is just a little different. Here's what to do. Start with prep. We'll demonstrate applying this patch inside a tank so you can see what's going on, but you can use this same technique for patches anywhere underwater in your pool. For safety, wear gloves and make sure the area has good ventilation. Cut the patch in your pool patch kit so it covers the tear in your vinyl liner with about 2 inches of room on every side. Round the corners so the patch won't catch. Use one of the alcohol wipes from your kit to clean the patch and make sure your vinyl pool liner is free from debris like dirt or algae. Now apply the glue. Spread HH-66 over your patch, using the brush in your kit to make sure adhesive coverage extends fully to the edges of your patch. Then fold the patch in half into a loose taco shape while the adhesive on the inside is slightly tacky. Now let's attach your patch. Submerge it while it's folded. The taco shape minimizes contact with the water to make sure your glue goes where you want it. Position your folded patch over the damaged area. Then unfold it and press it into position onto the vinyl liner. Apply even pressure throughout to remove any air bubbles. Give your patch at least an hour to set before you test it or subject your pool to stress or swimming. HH-66 will reach full strength in about a day, forming a bond that's waterproof, weather-resistant, and more durable than the vinyl liner itself, even underwater. To see how we patch a pool above the waterline with this same patch kit, visit the Pool Liner application page on the RH Adhesives website. To get peace of mind all summer long, you just need the right glue.